Anarde Foundation was established in 1979 by late Shri Kapoor Chandaria as he thought India's development lies in its villages and village resources of water, youth and money must be preserved in the village itself. To achieve the goal of integrated rural development, programs have been evolved as per need in the last 43 years across villages in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Currently, Anarde pursues holistic rural development through intervention in water and environment, low-cost infrastructure, income generation, or enhancement for women, youth and farmers. Focus in water. Along with clean drinking water, water security, net zero water is achieved through watershed interventions and water bodies management and conservation techniques, along with mini afforestation projects in villages. Low-cost infrastructure includes sanitation in individual households and schools, cattle sheds, and also launched most recently housing projects to support Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Skill development along with financial inclusion drive the income generation activities. Our goal: sustenance with dignity and not charity. This is not the end. It's just the beginning. There's more to come. Join us on this fruitful journey.